Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making the most aromatic, juicy, and FLAVOURFUL chicken biryani straight from my kitchen to yours. I've got everything prepped and ready: fresh chicken, soaked basmati rice, hand-picked spices, and the secret ingredient, love. So let's get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a recipe. Whole chicken cut into pieces, skin removed, washed, clean. Spices: plate, cumin seeds, bay leaves, black peppercorns, cinnamon stick, black cardamom, crushed red chili, salt, dried plums, aloo bukkara, fried onions. Now heat your oil in a heavy-bottomed pot using olive oil today. Add water and rice. Fry them on medium heat until they turn golden brown. Oh, the aroma will have your whole family running to the kitchen. Serve it with raita, salad, and lots of love. If you tried this recipe, comment below and tell me how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps my channel grow.